A Hero by R.K. Narayan is an extract from R.K. Narayan Swami and his friend. This story is about Swami who became an accidental hero and pride of his family. As a young boy, Swami dislikes going to school, work hard at anything. He likes to spend time with his friends and hear stories from his grandmother. However, this situation disturbs Swami's father and who wants to discipline Swami and wants him to become an independent and self-reliant. To know what has happened in the story, let's read the lesson. First paragraph. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading under the hall lamp and said, Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger. The paragraph also describes the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight upon the tree, where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. So, this is the first paragraph. Let us see, I'll explain it. So it says that event took an unexpected turn. Unexpected, it is a sudden change. Some event in the Swami's life has changed. That is brought some sudden change. What is that? And in this paragraph, first paragraph, you could see it Swaminathan and his father sitting together, and father is reading the newspaper. Okay, and he told Swaminathan about an article that printed in the newspaper. What is that article? A village lad. Bravery of a village lad. Lad means boy. Bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. So this is the newspaper report. It in the newspaper it has mentioned about the bravery of a village boy who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. And the paragraph also described in the newspaper, the paragraph also described the fight the boy had with the tiger. That is, the boy who had come face to face with the tiger had a fight with the tiger, and he climbed up the tree. Flight means he climbed up the tree, where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. So, what is the newspaper report? It's the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger, and his fight with the tiger, and he climbed up the tree, where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. So this is the newspaper report. Okay, second paragraph. After reading it through, father looked at Swami fixedly and asked, what do you say to that? Okay, father looked at Swami, okay, and he asked Swami, what does he say to this? That is, this here refers to the news. Okay, Swami said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? So, what is this comment on the newspaper report? Swami's comment on the newspaper report. He says that he must be, that means a boy who had a fight with the tiger, may be a very strong and a grown up person and not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? Okay, next, you think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father's need. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another man have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Okay. Father sneered. Sneered. Here it means that speak in a very unkind way. Father spoke in a very unkind way. Why did he speak? Swami told that a boy who had killed the tiger might be a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? So father got angry and he was very unkind with the Swami, and he asked him that he is wiser than the newspaper. Looked at the boy angrily and told him that is he wiser than the newspaper. Okay, and he also said that he commented on the newspaper. This is the views of Swami's father and Swami about the newspaper report. One said, that is, Swami said that person who had killed the tiger might be a very strong and a grown up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight with the tiger? So his father's comment on the newspaper is like this. He says, a man may have the strength of an elephant, yet be a coward. That means he may be as strong as an elephant, but he may be a coward. Whereas another man may have the strength of a straw. You know what is the meaning of straw? Straw means a dried stalk of grain, especially used as a fodder. Okay, strength of a straw, that means he may not be so strong. A man may do not have a man may do not have a strength, but still he has a courage. A man may have the strength of an elephant and may not be a um, uh, yet be a coward, whereas another man have the strength of a straw but he has a courage. And according to Swami's father, courage is everything, strength and age are not important. So like the Swami and his father commented on the newspaper report. Okay, so now Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, father? Suppose I have all the courage, and what could I do if a tiger attacked me? So he is arguing with his father, saying that you say courage is everything. So that means how can a person who has a courage fight with the tiger when he doesn't have the strength?